never slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness.
3, 2, 1, let's go! Eddie, they're just feeling things out here right now. Oh, action. This is gonna hurt. Oh. Go get him, Ashley. Whoa! Spin him around. Dang! Oh! Look at that! Well, good they hit Mr. Zup. He was bouncing off the governor there and got knocked back into place. Oh, just about out of the ring. Yeah, I wonder if these drivers say any bad words when they're in there. I might say a couple. Go get him, Ashley. You're the only girl out there. That's it. Show these guys how it's done. These cars hardly running now. Yeah, it's like a John Deere 2-cylinder now, I think, Ed. That's all right, she's still in the game. That's all that matters. Come on, folks. Maybe the harder you cheer, the harder they'll hit. There we go. Look at that. Eddie, we're down to 2.
Two. Take 2.
Oh, look at that.
I'm even down to 1.
I don't know. 171 said, I'm not going to take that. Here, you can park just right here. No, I'm not. Oh, he's out now.
I guess you'd call that a hatchback, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I would think so, yeah. One of those where you stick your foot underneath it and it lifts up. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. He's got some second wind.
Take 2.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.